All right, guys, if you're a coach, consultant, or online service provider and you're looking to get more clients online, you're looking to get more leads online, and you're fed up of seeing other people out there that have got terrible services and they're still getting new clients, even though they've got a terrible service, it's because they know how to market really well. And this is where our Social Proof tool comes in. So we're helping you fight back online. If you're really passionate about getting people results and you want to get more leads online, this is how to do it authentically with Social Proof, proving that you are as good as you say you are. So in the next 10 minutes, what I'm going to do is explain exactly how this tool came about, how we figured it out with our background in marketing and both with our business, our coaching business online that we scaled to 250 plus active clients. Now, I want to show you exactly what you can do. And this tool is very, it's not expensive at all. So I want to show you exactly how you can use it. And all you need to do is just upload everything and it just builds the page for you. So probably sounds too good to be true, but we have leveraged AI to be able to build this and make it possible as well. So what you can do with Social Proof is you convert your viewers into customers online at a much higher conversion rate. Two other tools out there, such as Linktree, Calendly, Typeform, any of those links, if you're sending people straight there from social media, it's just at the wrong position right now. This is designed to sit there, and I'll explain it right away. So why did this come about? You're probably in this position right now. If you're not in this position, then it's not going to work for you. So it won't be for you, and you can scroll past this video very quickly. So the invisible loop that's costing you clients every single week. You're posting wins or client wins on your story. You post results or testimonials on your feed. Your bio links to a Calendly or application form. You're creating content non-stop, but more views is not going to fix the problem. You think you've got a lead problem. It's not more views that you need. There's just a problem with the funnel. You think you need more leads, but you already have the views, okay? So you think that more content, more views is going to be the answer. You thought about paid ads. You thought about trying to go viral. That's not the issue right now. I can promise you that. If you scroll up on your story, you've got people viewing. There are people there that want to work with you, but they just haven't seen everything they need to yet. So this is what's happening behind the scenes. It's called the Trust Gap Funnel. That's what we've named it. The reason being is because on average, these are the facts. 6 to 9 months is what it takes for people to organically convert online from just watching you on social media. Everything has changed compared to how easy it was on social media like 5 to 10 years ago. Everyone that followed you before, you remember this, they would see every single post. They would see all your stories. They would see all your posts. So it would work to just post all your results, post your testimonials, post your offer onto social media. Right now, even if you've got viewers and followers, it doesn't mean that everyone has seen it, and that's the problem. So they wait months and months, they consider it, they want to work with you, but they haven't seen exactly what your service is, your offer, they haven't seen your results, they don't look at your highlights, the stories are gone after 24 hours, and the results you've posted from maybe 3-4 years ago, they're not going to scroll and see that stuff. So it gets lost, and it's all your hard work of years building over time, okay? And we had this exact problem. So the downsides to this, I just explained all that, so I won't go through it again, but that's the Trust Gap Funnel, and it's killing your potential leads. Now, this is how we took control. Before this tool, we invented it with a software. Before we put it together to make it easy for you to use, we built it ourselves because we realized that people are not seeing everything they need to. So we built a page. We used a lot of experience. We had to pay a lot of money to build this, and it basically built us a offer, a VSL, and every single piece of our results, all our event days, our community days, our online webinars, all our case studies, everything you could possibly imagine that proves we are as good as we say we are, to lower people's skepticism. And they trusted us so much more instantly that they could take the next step. And the next step would then be something like an application form, a priority list. It would be a WhatsApp link. It would be a Calendly booking form. Anything like that comes next, but they need to know everything first to be trusting enough of you to make that decision, make that next step. So that's how we fixed it, and it converts people in literally, it could be just on that day when they click the link, but maximum of 12 to 14 days is what it's going to take, because they've got all the information in front of them from that link in your bio. So that's where it is, and that's how it's provided. So what do you actually get with Social Proof Page? You get all your proof in one page. You don't have to build anything. All you need to do is upload your results, all your proof that you can imagine. You put it all up there, and it builds it into that page for you. Okay, so you get all your proof in one page. You get your best results always seen first, so you make sure you organize it so it's at the top. Proof that builds over time. So all the work you're putting in over the years, it doesn't just get lost, it actually just compounds over time as well. So the more you've got, the better it's going to be. You actually get a bonus, which I don't want to talk about too much because it might be confusing, but we help you collect more video testimonials. We make it very easy. You send one link out to your customers, they upload a video, it uploads immediately after approval. You just click one button, approve, it goes to your proof page. So it's so easy to build more gold dust of what we call it, because video testimonials can be so hard to get. But when we make it easy for the client to send it to you, it's even easier for you to upload it. Okay, smart CTA buttons that are proven to convert online as well, and it's fully branded to you. So your colors, your branding, your logo, everything. So there's no generic stuff. Okay, and then the next part here. So I want to show you. I don't want to just talk to you about it. I don't want to big it up. I want to show you exactly what this is, and why we believe in it so much, because it's a very nice professional page as well. So this is an example of what it would look like, okay? So I'm going to play this here because it's built for mobile first as well. So as you can see, this is how it would look. And you'd have your offer at the top, your target audience call out, you've got your VSL, and then as you go down the different sections, it's got all the proof you can potentially imagine that's going to give people everything they need to make that decision with you today. They click that link, and then after that, the next stage that they click through would be whatever you want to send them. If it's the WhatsApp, if it's the application form, it's the calendar link, call booking, whatever it is, that will convert them, and they'll be a much hotter, warmer lead for you to then take through the sales process. So this allows you to do it authentically, just showing how good you are, and they understand exactly what they get with your service as well before they even apply. So instead of speaking to cold leads, you're now speaking to hot leads. So that's what it's all about for us. Just to give you an example of desktop as well, I'll scroll through this quickly. Let me just move this a little bit. You can't see it right now properly, but this is exactly what you get. So very similar, but it's built for mobile version only, because if they're coming from social media, even if they're coming from paid ads, if your views are coming from there, then they're going to be cold. They need to see that page. They're going to be on mobile anyway. It's going to be 90% coming through mobile. So they're going to see everything in a really nice format, very professional, and they're going to be able to convert. And just to remind you, you don't have to build any of this. You just upload all of your stuff. Upload all your stuff. It'll build the page for you. Okay. And then when it comes to this section here, just to explain it, very simple. You bring the proof, we handle the build. So we build all of it, very fast, simple, stress-free. You don't need to worry about it. It's just built to convert at a much higher rate than any of the other links out there. So you upload your results, testimonials, DMs, case studies, upload your brand themes. We design and build your proof page and launch it immediately as soon as it's done. We say 48 to 72 hours in case we need to just go back and forth and work on it, anything with you, but it works pretty much instantly. So you share your proof page link and you get clients faster. So the whole goal is you've eventually then got to have your link visible to drive views to it, drive traffic to it, and it's going to convert at a much better rate for you. Again, like I said, Gold Dust collection on an autopilot. You've also got a private link that you send to customers, past clients, to get even more video testimonials uploaded, and you just approve it, and it's on your proof page as well. So where can you actually use it? Again, we've talked about the link in the bio. That's probably the most popular. But if you want to keep Linktree and you want to have the options there because you've got other things you want people to see, just add it into your Linktree. You can pin it in comments. You can send it directly to prospects in conversations. You can CTA it on your content. You can link it in emails or landing pages. If you have got a website, you can link it into your website to just give them an overload of proof before they make that next step. And then early adoption perks as well. So we are in the very early development stages of our software, and I want to personally work very closely with the people that come on board. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to get the feedback and I want to make it better for you. I want to give you all of the things that you want on there. Any adjustments, any improvements, you let me know. I'll work closely with you, and in turn, we want to guarantee 5 new clients in the next 28 days from using this tool, because it's going to convert a lot higher for the views that you've already got. So you don't need to hope to go viral. You don't need to, spend a lot of money on paid ads just to get new clients. You've already got the views from organic socials. So this only works, though, just to remind you, this does only work for people that have got good services. I don't want to work with people that are just trying to make quick money and they're trying to scam people to get people through and not care about the service. I want people to get results. I want to show, if you haven't got any results, it's not going to work for you because you need results. But if you're just starting out, and you have worked with a few people, you just need to get some sort of testimonial out of them. You need to get screenshots of positive messages they've sent you about the service you've provided, and you can build from that. You can build your VSL. We give you tools to do that as well. We've got a lot of ChatGPT prompts, stuff to help you with building all that stuff out from the frameworks we've used in our businesses. So hopefully this helps, but this doesn't work for people that haven't got that. They don't care. They care more about likes, trying to go viral, stuff like that. At the end of the day, more views might help, but that's not the problem. So if I was you, I would 100% focus on fixing the funnel, making sure people convert at a more than average rate, so you get more on the bottom line. You get more clients coming through, and then you get more profit coming through as well. So that's what it's about for us. And just to give you an idea in terms of the options we've got, so we have got a custom plan option. If you want full support on building your VSL, your hero section, your offer, improving everything for your target audience, and identifying your dream client, we can work with you on that on the marketing side. But if you just want to get started, you can go ahead anyway with the Pro plan, which now does include full branding and support as well. So I'm actually going to get rid of that no right now, because initially we didn't have that because we were spreading ourselves too thin. But now you are able to actually go ahead, purchase the plan option, and it's very affordable. You'll see straight away as you click through, and one new client a month will pretty much 5 times what you pay for it. And that's on average, depending on what client's worth you. And that's at the bottom of the barrel as well. So we've made it very affordable because we want people to use it and get the benefits. And I want to work with you to improve this tool as well. We put a lot of time and energy into this software, building it out. It's not cheap to build a software, as you probably are aware. So we really do believe in this, and we believe we can fight back the trust pandemic, the scammers online. That's who we want to fight back against, to help the good people stand out with their service. So hopefully this makes sense. If you've got any questions, let me know. That's my WhatsApp number. It's literally going to be me, because I want to work with you closely. So we're not opening this up to the public yet. We just want to work with individuals that really do care about this and will provide us feedback. That's all we ask for in return. So hopefully this makes sense. Anything you need, let me know. That's my number on WhatsApp. I'll always get back as soon as I possibly can. Thank you, and I will speak to you soon.